It's hard to believe this is the 18th of July. The pitch is really in very bad condition, it must be said.
There was a lot of talk about, the conditions, and the conditions favoured us, but at the end of the day, I think the conditions mattered a damn that day. I think, irrespective of where that game was, we were going to win it, and that's the way we viewed it.
Anthony Tohill was superb that day. He was fielding ball, he was running dirty ball around the middle of the field, and there was plenty of them to win that day. And the wet didn't stop, and the rain didn't, or the water on the pitch didn't stop Anthony that day. He was colossal.
The opening of the second half, we were awarded a free kick. It was a fair distance out, shocking conditions, but I was our long-range free taker, and it was my duty to put it over the bar.
A very important kick for Anthony Tohill. Hits it well. Excellent play by Anthony Tohill.
So I was happy that when I struck it, that it did go over, but I know that gave the team a big lift, because it's just one of those kicks that people don't expect you to score, so when it goes over, everyone rises.
Considering the ground conditions, that was a superb kick.
He missed a covered there in last year, because but it's a shot imroar specialty. Got Fedger, Grandma Isle, and Tiha Bahawachti in a heel, agus Eilwuchens Leshian.
Hits it well. Drops in under the crop, dropping a dangerous one in. And once more, it's Anthony Tohill. The referee decides it's all over. Derry are Ulster champions.